Today, I'm going to show you how to alternate row colors in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to make your spreadsheets more visually appealing and easier to read, especially when you're working with large datasets where rows can blend together. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your documents and spreadsheets are stored. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to apply alternating row colors. This could be any spreadsheet you're working with, whether it's a budget tracker, a project timeline, or a contact list. Clicking on it will open the spreadsheet in a new tab. Here's where the magic happens. First, you need to highlight all the data that you want to format with alternating colors. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or if you want to select everything quickly, just click on the box at the intersection of the row and column headers. This selects your entire dataset in one go. With your data highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with various formatting options. From this menu, click on Alternating Colors. This is the feature that will transform your spreadsheet into something much more organized and professional looking. Once you click Alternating Colors, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for customizing how the alternating colors will look. You'll notice a section called Default Styles, which offers several pre-made color schemes that Google has designed for you. Browse through these options and click on the style that best fits your preferences and matches the aesthetic you're going for. But here's the best part. If none of the default styles suit your needs, you can fully customize the colors yourself. Look for the Custom Styles section in that same panel. Here you have complete control over the header color, color 1, and color 2. Click on each color option to open a color picker and choose exactly the shades you want. This level of customization ensures your spreadsheet perfectly aligns with your branding or personal preference. Once you're satisfied with your color selections, simply click Done at the bottom of the panel. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets spreadsheet now has beautifully alternating row colors that make it much easier to follow data across rows and significantly improve readability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.